Welcome to Science Synthesis. I am L.E. Today we shall be doing the traveling flame experiment. In this very experiment, we shall blow out the light on a candle and relight it by placing a matchstick on the path of a rising smoke from the candle without the matchstick coming in contact with the wax. The experiment comes together in minutes, but it's gonna blow your mind. Sit tight, let's enjoy ourselves in a world of science. Thank you. Is our candlestick and then our source of light, so we are using matchbox for this. So all we do is to light the candle, then we'll find a good spot where we can place it. Then we'll allow it to burn for some time. Alright, now look at what we do. We'll light this and then blow out the light. So that's it. We can decide to do it again. So that was the experiment. Then one more time.